Hello friends, in this video I will tell you that how can you export an image in Photoshop. So without any further ado, let's get started. I am in Photoshop and I want to export this image as a PNG file. What you can do, go here to file and then export. Here you can see quick export as PNG. If you click it, it will ask you for file destination and then you can save as a PNG. Now if you want to export it as a JPEG, then you can see here export as, or you can also use the shortcut. Here is the format. You can use PNG, JPEG, GIF or any kind you want. I'm going with JPEG, and you can also determine the quality, that's width and height and scale. Let's convert to RGBs, it's checked. I think this setting is the best setting, that is default setting. So after you are done, then click on export all and then give the destination, and simply I am going to save it on desktop and then save. That's how you can export your image in Photoshop. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a comment, like my video and subscribe my channel. Thanks.